this video we'll be looking at the protractor found in the measurement tools in toolbar 2. So where do we find the protractor? In toolbar 2, when we click on the measurement tools, the second icon is the protractor. The protractor starts off as a 180-degree protractor, measuring both left and right. If we look at the basic functionality, if you click anywhere in this dark blue shaded area, you are able to move the protractor to where you would like it to go. If you click anywhere in the second band, if you watch my mouse, it's a two-sided line, this resizes my protractor. Then if you click anywhere in the third band, this rotates my protractor. And here you can see in the middle the degrees that I'm rotating it by. If we click on this blue circle down here, this makes it into a full 360-degree protractor. Once again, it works the same way. If I click anywhere in the blue shaded area, I can move this protractor. Anywhere in this band here, and I'm able to resize my protractor. And anywhere on the third one, and I'm able to rotate my protractor. Once again, it only goes through 180 on our degrees there. Let's have a look at our protractor in use. Here I have two angles that I need to be measured. I'm going to go to toolbar 2, click on my measurement tools and select protractor. The first one is an acute angle, so I can line it up and I can measure. Once again, we are able to use our magic pen if we can't see the finer measurements. Select my magic pen, we draw the rectangle, and this enlarges what I need to see. So we're looking at about 48 degrees there. Now, if I need to measure a reflex angle, there's a few tricks I need to know. Firstly, I need to make it into the full protractor. Then, we measure in a clockwise direction. Therefore, we need to get 0 on the lowest line. So I'm going to go and take it there, and then we can measure all the way around. Again, if I need my magic pen to see, I can draw a rectangle, can move it on there, 334 degrees. So the protractor is pretty straightforward to use. Move, rotate, or resize. But it actually has an advantage for teachers. Let's go have a look at what a teacher can do before we've even started the lesson. If I click on the protractor anywhere, you'll notice that a blue line, an arrow, and a green dot appears. This green dot allows me to go and measure certain degrees. Here we go. So if I want to go and do a 130-degree angle, because it told me, I can go do that. But here is where the magic lies. I can actually go make that angle quite quickly. So I can spit it out by clicking on that arrow. And now I have a 130-degree angle pre-made for me. If I want to use that angle and not let my students see the actual measurement, there are a number of ways I can get rid of it. The first being I can select it all and ungroup it. So drop down, group, ungroup. And then I can go and I can actually, I can go up and I can delete it. The one trick to remember is that I need to go back and group everything again. I'm going to do it that way. Another way of hiding that is to simply place a shape over it. And once the children have measured it, we can then go and we can move the shape. A third option would be to go and select a white pen. So if we go choose a pen, I'm going to go make this a white pen. And we can quickly color it in. The children will measure, and then what I go do is I pick up my eraser and I reveal what the answer is. So the great tool with this protractor is I can go and pre-make my angles accurately according to this protractor. A hint to keep in mind, if you go make it with a standard protractor, you can go and measure it with a standard protractor. If you have resized it, and then you go and you want the students to measure it with the standard one that comes out when we open the protractor, you'll notice that there's a slight difference. So the answers will be different. Let's look at the last one. I'm going to go and create a reflex angle. So firstly, I get my protractor ready. I then click anywhere in the middle, and this brings up my lines. Now here's the trick. We need to go the opposite way, clockwise, to measure. So now I have a 340-degree angle that I've made. And again, you can go and hide the actual number using the different methods. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.